Hey, you get English, but when it comes to speaking, nothing comes out and you don't know what's going on. When you watching movies, when you speak in other people or see people who speak in English, you understand them, how they speaking, the words they using, the sentences, everything. But when it comes to you and you try to speak English, nothing comes out. You just freeze. So today, guys, welcome back. Today is day day, day 63 of my learning challenge, speaking in front of the camera. And today we're going to break down this problem. A lot of people they asking me at the comment. Also, they even happened to me. And finally, I figure out and I solve it by my own. And today, you guys, a lot of people out there, they really understand, or you watching me, you may understand the way I'm speaking, the words I use, and you know everything. But when it comes to you, when you try to speak, you just freeze. You don't know what to say. You know the words. So the problem is not about words. You know words, you know sentences, you know everything. But the problem is you didn't train your mouth and your brain how to speak the language. And last 2 months, I've been speaking English and making challenge every single day. I'm making video 10 minutes between 7 minutes or 6 minutes while I speak in English. And before that 2 months ago, I couldn't able to even express myself like properly or normally. Like when I try to speak English or when I meet online people and try to talk to them or speak the language, we ask you some questions like, where you from? I'm from blah. What's your name? Do you have some sisters? Like we just talk about that simple topics. But when it comes to other topics, maybe talk about one something like just express topic, like talk about topic or discuss. We couldn't able to talk about that because I don't know how to use those words. And when now I've been speaking English and I can do finally just I can speak. I can choose any topic in my mind. And every day I make a video. Someday I'll talk about IELTS questions and I express those IELTS questions and I'm good with that. When I meet online people, like we just choose topic. Like for example, like one day we just talk about why people delay, why they procrastinate, or all that topic. Which is I'm good with that. I just can talk about that, but after 2 months, before 2 months ago, even I couldn't just speak in front of the camera for a while. So if you like that and you understand English when you're watching movies, everything's so cool. But when it comes to speaking, you don't know what to say. You just freeze. So problems not words. Try to speak the language, and I give you a few tips. You can improve that part when it comes to speaking, and don't even overwhelm me about. Don't think about like a lot of people for me, including me. When I first started learning English, I thought if I memorize or learn many words I would speak the language. That's a lie. If you memorize words, you wouldn't speak the language. If you, when it comes to speaking, you need sentences. You need just to memorize the sentences we use every day and train your mouth how to speak. But when it comes to memorizing words, you can memorize words. You understand it, like, movies, everything, but you cannot speak. So speaking is like listening, like understand it. You understand English, you must listen podcasts, you must watch the language and understand the people what they say. If you don't listen anybody, you would not understand the language. So when it comes to speaking, you need to speak, start, take action. Speaking is action, not passive. The language is some is passive, some is action. Like listening is passive. All that word is learning is passive, just memorizing them. But when it comes to speaking, that is the real action when it comes. So you should try to speak. And first, if you're alone or you have nobody to speak, first you should make a mirror or you from phone and record yourself or filming yourself while you speak in English. I do that every day. So filming yourself while you speak in English, or even don't film yourself if you have a mirror and you see yourself while you speak in the language. Speak like that. Choose one topic. Talk about the food. Talk about the outside. Just choose something. and try to speak the language every day. Few minutes or 1 minute would be enough if you be consistently. And the second one would be you should try is I do is I try to film in myself while I speak in English. I just film in while I speak in English, and that is also works. The second one is third one is when you're at home, like for example, I'm just at home, nobody with me, talk to yourself. If you're gonna make something, if you're gonna cook, if you're gonna play game, if you do whatever you who you are, you don't know you know what you're gonna do. Just talk about that today. Like for example, if you're going to make food, say today I'm gonna make some rice. I need to buy one potato and I need to buy some red chili, and then I need to clean up the dishes because my kitchen is a bit dirty. Like just make a conversation on your own yourself. And that our last one is practice your English on HelloTalk or platform you can talk to people in online. Like if you have many friends in online, you can talk to them and practice English there. If you don't have, I recommend you HelloTalk is the best app. That's how I improve my English, my speaking, everything. So join HelloTalk, sign up, and practice English there. You can meet 100 million of people, native speakers, and people who learn English like you, and it's really really free. So just go there and practice English there if you're serious. And for us, the last one is be consistently, like be consistently while you speaking the language and training your speaking. Last 2 months, I've been speaking English every single day. It's not a lot. I don't speak English a lot, but I be consistent, and I right now get my result. You can watch before 2 months the video I make, that 2 months I made. If you watch that video, it totally different. So that's our video today, guys. If you still here, you're absolutely legend. Are you serious to learn this language? Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you didn't do that yet, and support me. So thank you very much, guys. Have a good one.